Welcome back. How are you all? Now, today we are going to start the video related to pH. Beta, as you know that I have explained you that pH means potential of hydrogen or power of hydrogen. So, the strength of acid or base depend on the number of H plus ions or OH minus ions produced. Okay, if hydrochloric acid or acetic acid are of same concentration, say of 1 molar, then they will produce different amount of hydrogen ions. Acid that give rise to more H plus ions are said to be strong acid. We have discussed earlier also. For example, HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4. And acid that give less H plus ions are called weak acid. For example, acetic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, all such type of acid which we usually eat, they are considered to be weak acid. Okay. Now, importance of pH. The pH in our everyday life, it play a very vital role in our life. Okay. First of all, the plants and animal are pH sensitive. How? I will explain you. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. You know that this range is taken as neutral range, isn't it? The living organism can survive only in a such type of pH range. When the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, 5.6 less than means the more acidic H plus ions are present in that. Then that rainwater will become acid rain. And when acid rain falls into the rivers, it lowers the pH of river water. So the plants and animals, those who are living in that river water, cannot survive at such pH, and it can destroy their life. Okay, so like this you can explain that how plants and animals are pH sensitive. You can see over here that how the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, these gases are going upside and mixing and making nitric acid and sulfuric acid, isn't it? And when it comes back to our earth, it come back in the form of acid rain. And when acid rain mix in river, then it will give a huge damage to our aquatic life. Okay, even our historical monuments are also affected by this acid rain. They show the change in the color. If you see Taj Mahal, before some years it was white in color, but now it is becoming yellowish in color. That is due to the effect of acid rain on limestone, which give blackness to or darkness to it. Okay, here also you can see that how the acid rain harm a fish, isn't it? The plants cannot grow in such, the monuments are destroying. You can observe the color change. All this occur due to the acid rain. Now come to the second point, that how pH of our soil, at what range the pH of our soil should be there. Okay, as plant also required a specific pH range for their growth, and to find this it an activity was also given there, that how you can find that the particular soil pH is acidic or basic in nature. Okay, you can note down, and then you will find that if the soil is having acidic, then we are supplying some basic, for example calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide to the soil, isn't it, or calcium oxide. But if it is basic in nature, soil is basic in nature, then we are adding or we are supplying some acidic substance to it. Can you guess why? We are adding acid to base or base to acid to show neutralization reaction, and they neutralize the effect of each other and form neutral salt along with water. Okay, so the pH range should also be specific for healthy growth of our plant. Okay, one more thing was given here, that acids present in another planet. You know that in the atmosphere of Venus we see some thick white yellowish cloud of sulfuric acid. So can you imagine that whether the life is possible on Venus or not? Is it possible that life can survive there? No. If in the atmosphere such a harmful acid is present, then we cannot suppose to have the presence of life there on such type of planets. Okay. Now, pH in our digestive system. Very important point and interesting also. That in the beginning of the chapter I have told that if anyone is suffering from acidity in your home, then what thing you are providing to them? I have given you option that vinegar, you will give vinegar, you will give lemon juice, or you will give baking soda. Now the things come, I think you have understood that we will not give vinegar to that person, we will not give lemon juice to that person, since they already contain acidic substance. Okay, we will give a pinch of baking soda with lot of water. Now I can explain this pH also to you in our digestive system. Beta, if you see, our stomach walls produce hydrochloric acid and it helps in digestion of food without harming the stomach. But sometimes if we are not eating good food, hygienic food, and if we are eating the food which contain more spices, so sometimes what will happen, the acidic range of our stomach increase and it cause pain and irritation. Okay, to get rid of this we use base, and that base are called antacids. As you know that acids and opposite of acids are antacid, or we can say base. Those who are helpful us to neutralize the effect of excess of acid. What will happen if we take ENO? ENO is milk of magnesia, isn't it? And when we take ENO, we are suffering from acidity. When ENO is taken, then acid plus base react in our stomach and neutralization reaction occur with the formation of salt and water, which neutralize the effect of acid on us. I think this is clear to you. Now, here you can see the digestive